While walking through Liberty Square in Budapest, Hungary, your attention might be pulled in the direction of any of the fantastic monuments that pay homage to iconic moments in Hungarian history. So the odds of you seeing a 3-inch tall monument mounted at the base of an iron fence are not great. For years now, Kermit has been resting on this stoop just across from the square's café. But why is there a tiny hidden sculpture of Kermit sitting here in Budapest?
Another one of my favourite little mini sculptures here in Budapest. In winter, the locals dress him up in a little hat and scarf because of course we don't want Kermit to get too cold. It's purportedly here to memorialise the point at which frog legs became a delicacy in Hungary, but luckily I think Kermit's safe from being eaten.
Before World War II, fried frog's legs would only be found as a dish on the festive tables of noble families and mainly as a delicacy at a several-course meal. However, after the war, it became the most sought-after item at the local market. Modest households that used to prefer beef, pork steaks, and fried chicken turned to frog's legs when all those other meats became unavailable. In some of the larger markets, they even operated large frog farms to help supply and demand. And with the right culinary expertise, many compare the taste to chicken thighs. Well, the statue was created to recognize when frog legs became a Hungarian delicacy in the 19th century. And don't ask us why people leave coins on the statue. We don't know. But they come and they go, so I guess Kermit takes a break and goes shopping every now and then, and he needs his legs to do that.